Hey, welcome to another My Two Good Hands video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, post notifications on, use the Amazon links to shop. Even if you don't buy something on the link and you buy something else while you've used the link to get to Amazon, we get a small commission to help support the channel. If you see anything advertised during this video, click on that link and it helps support the channel too if you're interested. I appreciate all the support and we continue to grow the channel and bring you what you want. Welcome to another My Two Good Hands video. We're out working on the garage door. Some of the trim has gone bad. Hey, the house is 30 years old now, and plastic trim is great, but the rubber part is starting to crack. Let me show you what's going on, and we'll show you what we're going to do, and we'll get on it. So here's what we have. You can see we've got some breakage there. Come up, you got more breakage there, more breakage there. It gets even worse. You got some there. Look at that big spot you got out there. You got some down here. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull these off. And look what we've got. We got brand new ones here. So you can see how flexible this is. We'll do it with the door down, but we're going to leave the door up to take that stuff off. So let's get on it. Our little giant ladder. First two tools we're going to use: hammer, screwdriver. We're going to try to pry this out. Should be pretty easy. See, you can get that behind there pretty easy. And you put your hammer behind here. Woo, that's brittle. So you can see what we've got, how brittle that is. Looks like we're going to have issue. We thought we'd take this off and then line it up to the other for the nails, but it doesn't look like that's going to happen now. Looks like we got some pretty big issues here with this. Looks like we can get this behind there. It looks like it's just going to all break to shreds. So we're going to have to go in here and work it a little at a time. Might be able to use the nails over. We're going to go clean up that mess. We'll be back, show you how we're going to lay out the new one. Cut it off. So it's all off. Let's move to the measuring phase so we can cut them off. So what we're going to do is we're going to fit this up in the corner. We're going to take a pencil. We're going to mark it where it needs to be cut. We'll cut part of it with a scissor, this fluffy part. Cut the other part, we're going to use a hacksaw. So you can see how we got this marked. Let's go in the garage and show you how we can cut it off. Well, we're back at it. First thing we're going to do is take our square, come up here, mark our line all the way across here with a pencil. Don't use a pen because it'll bleed. Box knife. Cut this with a box knife. Next part we have to do here, we have to hold this down, cut this with the hacksaw. This is what you got to watch out for. See, I got a little strip here. You don't want to strip stuff like this, okay? That's one done. Now what we're going to do is we're going to come in here and we're going to drill some holes down the middle. We'll do that outside. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to come right in the middle of this flat part right here. So we're going to drill some holes. And these are for the nails, and we do about every 9 inches because it's flexible rubber. This is the point. If you got a power door, get your clicker out of your car so you can run the door up and down while you do this, because you want to put this on with the door down so you seat it right. You make sure it's straight. So we're going to go get our clicker and get going on that, and we're also going to put nails in the holes. So be back in a minute. So we're back. So we've got our clicker here so we can let our door down. We got our hammer and all our pieces outside. We thought we could let it down. There we come. In our pocket. So down comes the door. For right-hand people, the right side is the hardest. Oh, we can take this. You can see the gap there. Take this and push it in here. We can push this in. We put that against there like that. There you go. Now it's just a matter of tucking this in as you go. Trying to make this have a nice light seal to the door, just like this. You're worried about it. You kind of start your nails and run your door up and down before you drive the nails home. A right-handed person like me, you can't get in there to drive the nails. So we're gonna put the door up. So door goes back up, and you can watch this move away. You can see that's gonna work good. Just like that. Then you can come in here and drive these home. There you go. Our next step. We're going to push the button. Down comes the door. Now you can see how nice this runs. You can see we have a little trouble there. I got a corner that's kind of not in good shape. So we're going to have to fix that down at the bottom there. It's got a little bitty edge on the door. It's catching that edge. So we're going to fix that on the next time we go up. We're going to go set the other one first. We're going to run our door down. That one looks really nice. Come over and look at the other side. That one looks really nice. So it works. Going to bring it up. We're going to trim that other side just a little bit more on the inside. Don't forget, like and subscribe to my Two Good Hands. I'll put up some links on some of the tools and what have you I used here that you can get on Amazon. If you use the links to go to Amazon and you do shop, anything you buy when you enter with that link helps support this channel. So please use a link and go do your Amazon shopping. We appreciate the support. Don't forget to like and subscribe, post notifications on. If you've watched commercials during this video, you also help support the channel, and we thank you for that. Catch you in the next video.